And the next roundabout, I would like you to turn right, third exit towards town center, please. Good. Vanda, come this way, Vanda. Okay, we'll talk about this in a minute, okay? What I need to ask you, why do we have hatch markings on the road? Have you ever noticed?
Yes,
Why do we have a hatch marking?
Do we know what line choice in time?
Can we use the hatch marking?
You mean this with strips? No,
Yeah.
we can use this only emergency when not
Yeah.
have space.
Okay.
Off to
So-
left to traffic can go.
Yeah.
Yes.
So, as we were coming, and I asked you to take the third exit. So this is
Yeah.
the first exit. This is the second exit, yeah? Towards town center. As you're coming in, so which exit? This one on your left is your first exit.
First,
Where is the second exit?
this.
So once you come here, do we go here or do we need to check our center and the left mirror and go
change,
more towards
line.
here?
Yeah.
What do you think you did? Where were
I
you?
do here around.
So you were driving
Like here,
there.
here.
Now because you're driving too much on the right and you're signaling quite late here,
Before
so any
yeah,
car who's coming,
he think I go here, the
they might
next
think
exit.
that. So if they want to go to their left, what they might think from your body behavior that you might be going.
Yeah, he think I go next exit. Yeah,
So should we have to be check our mirror signal and change
In time.
position quickly, or do we have to leave it for the too late?
yeah. No, need be first. Yeah.
So do you understand your mistake?
Yeah,
What
yeah.
is the risk have you taken?
From here coming and think
From
I.
here.
And think I'm turn.
Okay, that's one.
Next
What
one.
about if you are
And
keeping?
together turn and.
What if you're
start.
keeping too much to the right, and maybe a cyclist, motorcyclist, they might think, oh, she's giving too much space. They're gonna use that space as well.
Yeah, and after I start change.
And then-
And yeah. I understand. Yeah.
So if you're taking third exit, after the second exit, what we do? Mirrors,
And change line.
signal,
Like, yeah.
and position.
To left.
Do you understand that?
Yes,
Would you
I
remember it next time?
Yes.
Okay,
yes.
good.